In this video I'm going to show you how to do the first packet tracer skills assignment that we have. This is in week 4, it's under chapter 2, it's under the PT assignment along the left hand side here. For a lot of the packet tracer assignments there's an instruction sheet and then the actual file. You don't necessarily even need to open this instruction sheet. I thought it might just be easier for some people to read through the instructions. I do not need this submitted. So it's up to you whether or not you want to download that. But we definitely do need the packet tracer file, and you will need packet tracer installed for this. Packet tracer you can find in the practice lab. You can find it on the Cisco Netacad website as well. The latest version as of this recording is version 6.2, I believe. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it and download it and open it up. Now when you open up Packet Tracer, there are typically always going to be two windows that open, and depending on how you have your tabs, these tabs could be on top of each other. One tab is your actual Packet Tracer topology that you can work with, and the other tab is your instruction sheet. So your instruction sheet will typically give you all the information that you need: IP addresses, names, passwords, the different things that you're going to have to do. So what I'm going to do is just configure this first switch. You guys can configure your second one. Now keep in mind that most of the packet tracers will automatically generate these values, so your passwords, your names, your IP addresses could potentially be different than what I am doing. So the first thing I need to do is configure room 145. So to do a lot of the configurations in Packet Tracer, you simply just click on the device and then go to the CLI tab. Every now and then you may get a message about the configuration being locked by clicking on the device and trying to go to the CLI. In that scenario, what they need you to do is to use a console connection. You can see a message I'm getting here is I can't add any links. But with the console connection, what you would do is you'd grab that console cable, you'd go from the PC's RS-232 to the switch's console port. That's what you'd have to do on an actual switch with a PC, is you'd go from the COM port of the PC to the console port on the switch. Then what you would do is you would click on the PC, go to the desktop tab, choose terminal, hit OK, and then that would connect you to the command prompt of the switch. You can see now I'm not getting any output because I do not have that cable selected. But again, typically what you should have to do is just click on the device you want to configure. Under the CLI tab, you can open it up here, and you can see here I'm in user exec mode. I want to get into enable or privilege mode, and then get into config T mode. Again, config T is short for configure terminal. If these commands are not looking familiar to you, I would highly recommend going through some of the videos that I have posted and reading through the curriculum. So the first thing I want to do is give this a host name. So I type host name, and this one is room-145. Now for the names and the passwords, this is case sensitive. If you don't put the correct case in there, you will get it incorrect. You can see here in Packet Tracer on your instruction window you have this completion percentage. So right now I'm 1 out of 90. So after you type something in as a command, it should go up. So the next thing I'm going to do is the password for the lines. So I have my line console 0, and that has a password in my case of 8UB capital R